Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to tackle the states of matter and particle arrangement through diagrams. So, for short review, as you can see in this simulation, it represents the kinetic molecular theory. In solids, particles vibrate in fixed positions, while in liquids, they move more freely but are still close together. And in gases, particles move rapidly and are much farther apart. So, as you can see, okay, this is in gas form. Solid, liquid, and then gas. Kita natin yung difference ng kanilang arrangement and even the motion of the particle. Okay, this is the diagram representing the arrangement of particles in solid. They are closely intact. In liquid, they have more space than the solid, and the gas has the farthest distance in terms of the particles arrangement. Okay, before we proceed, we have to define first these different terms. Okay, for number 1, conversion of substance from the solid to the gaseous state without becoming liquid. Kumbaga solid, naging gas agad. Ano ang tawag sa process na yon? This is called as sublimation. Okay, the example of sublimation is mothball or yung alcampor, yung nilalagay sa damit. That is solid, and then it directly converted to gas, and some other air freshener or car air freshener. They undergo the so-called sublimation process from solid directly to gas without becoming a liquid. Okay, for number 2, refer to localized microscopic objects that can have physical properties like charge, mass, velocity, energy, and others. So the answer is particle. Any process by which electrically neutral atoms or molecules are converted to electrically charged atoms or molecules or ions through gaining or losing electrons. Okay, the answer is ionization. For number 4, it is an electrically charged gas. A gas with charge. So the answer is plasma. The laying down of sediment carried by wind, flowing water in sea or ice. So, deposition. Ayan, through weathering and erosion, naiipon yung mga materials na dinala ng tubig. Okay, the process wherein gas changed to liquid, the answer is condensation. Okay, ang example po ng condensation, yung naglagay ka ng malamig na tubig sa baso, and then nag-aalam ka mayroon ng moisture sa labas. So, that is from gas, from the air, and becoming a liquid. Okay, the next one, number 7, a physical process that results in the phase transition of the substance from a solid to liquid. So, ibalik naman po ito, solid naging liquid. Okay, melting. Okay, a phase transition in which a liquid turns into solid when its temperature is lowered below its freezing point. So, the answer is freezing. It happens when a liquid turns into a gas. So, that is evaporation. Okay, here are the physical comparison of solid, liquid, and gas. So in solid we have rigid, while in liquid and gas they are not rigid. In solid, fixed shape. In liquid and gas, no fixed shape. Fixed volume in solid. Sa liquid, fixed volume, but in gas there's no fixed volume. And number 4, cannot be squashed. So same with liquid, cannot be squashed, and then the gas. Simulation from phet.colorado.edu. You may now draw in your activity notebook or in this activity sheets, you may now draw the particles of solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, think of what happens to a gas if you further increase the temperature. Are you familiar with plasma? How can you create a plasma, and how do you call the process of making plasma? So write your answers. So what is plasma? Okay, plasma is one of the 4 common states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma is an electrically charged gas. So gas pala siya, nagkaroon lang ng electrical charge. Because plasma particles have an electrical charge, they are affected by electrical and magnetic fields. This is the main difference between a gas and a plasma.